No, 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 no. No, should I, yappa. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, let's just get started with the video. Or should I give it away, friend? Oh, no. How about I just go and log out of my account and sign into my YouTube account? Obviously, you know, likes it. Why back? Hey! I hope that did not end my recording. So I've put it so if I shake the device, then it's just then it'll stop recording. Man, I love you. Oh, I hope this didn't end. And it did it. Yes. Oh no, it didn't. Dang it. Oh man. Oh man. I hate this app. Oh. Once I hit 10 subscribers, I got a surprise coming out. Woohoo! So, I don't want to spoil it, but I have to. The video. Well, let's actually make a name of the video. Try and get it to 5 likes. If you don't see that like button, and if you click on it and it doesn't work, sign up. And all you have to do is very easy. Maybe 2 clicks, maybe a couple letters. Who cares? Just do it. Okay, no abusement, but just do it. Okay, let's just. Don't say that. Look at the title. It's Bee Swarm Simulator. And yes, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, how do I get rid of this man's chat? Okay, there we go. Which one? Ah! I'm gonna go next to the big one. Biggies. Come on. I found this complaint. Well, not complaint. Oh, yeah, okay. Open the end menu and drag it. Oh, okay. Ooh, hatched egg. What the hell is it called? Yeah, I'm wondering that too. So a little bit. Come on, let's go. Let's go and collect some honey, eh? Honey money. Come on, big. I wonder what this actor's doing. Oh, we're getting close to storage out. Who cares? At least I'm making money, and there we go. Come on, little big boy. You little big guys. Now what do I do? Oh, here we go. Make honey. I have not. Oh, I have once, but I forgot how to play it. Oh, let's go. Don't suck me. You're gross. Come on. Now go and get me some. I wish they, they actually, yeah, they did. I was just about to use them. What do you think you're doing? Trying to take my grass. It's my grass area. I know, right? Oh no, it's full. Shoot, I wasn't paying attention. Mom, I wasn't paying attention. Please give me another try. My honey. Where the hell is my... Give me a bag. Oh, God. Okay, no. I have to make honey. I want to make honey, man. I just want to make honey. Honey. Hello, honey. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. And... Man, stop moving. Oh, shoot. Oh, I don't want to look at that. No, that makes me feel poor. Poor Mom, please give me something. Present. Oh, no thanks. Bye. Nah! I'm going to go no FK. Bye. Oh, I'm back. Okay. My honey is friggin' full. Okay, I know. I was not AFK, okay? Don't friggin' abuse me! Don't whack me with that, you idiot. I'll make some honey. Oh, this is a boring game. Once you actually get used to it, you'll actually like it. I do recommend you try it. Ooh. Open shop. Holy cap, the crap. Can't afford you, Jesus. How do I exit this? Hey chat, can you help me? How do I, oh, it doesn't matter. Everything's at the friggin' top. Dig like a motherfucker. Fuck. No. Please, hello. Look, I can see myself from underground. Yay! Okay, let's go back and forth. Yay! Yay! It's sucking from my heart. I don't want that to happen anymore. What the josh is going on? This thing is weak. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. If you want to check this game out, I will leave a link in the description down below. And I hope you have some fun. Oh, don't worry, I'll sound like I'm gonna end the video doing if I'm gonna end the video. Oh, I just said it. Oh, I just done it. Well, actually, my character will go crazy like this. Once I'll end the video. Shut up, bye. I'm gonna leave you behind. No, don't. Remember all those hugs you gave me? No, you're poor. And I don't like you, bees. What? I'm not the one freaking fight like hive like what is this? Oh no, thank you. I don't want any of that, thanks. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go home. Work's not over yet. It's never gonna end. Ugh. Oh, sorry I haven't been making videos of Pet Simulator 1. Bullcrap. I know, right? Finally, now I can get some friends. Stuff of the dust. Should I have a little peek? Oh, I know what I'm gonna win. I win something. Base it. That's absolutely great. Thank you. I keep on forgetting how to end it. No, they're different. Okay. You're gonna say, I just spent my money on that. I'm a piece of crap. Oh, I didn't find it. What do you give me? Give me something good. 12! Fucking Jesus. Well, at least I got a little boost. Don't. I want to be like them one day. Obviously, I won't be. Well, if you want me to spend Robux, go to my live stream and donate to me. Because I got no monies. I don't want to. How did you get that iPad then? My dad bought it for me. Thank you. Fine. Oh. I'm that. I'm trying to find out how do I. I'm gonna try a promo code that I don't even know. I'm just gonna bees. Please, bees. I think I actually got it. Different abilities, you're crazy. Bumblebee. Basic bees. You have 2 bees. Oh, where is it? Tack. No, thank you. I kind of like this music. Good music. But I can play better music, right? After this video, I will be doing, if you want to go check it out, I will leave a link to it. I will be making a playlist video of something. And that blood come out of my... Oh, it is too. Oh, I scraped a couple things yesterday and gone terribly wrong, yeah. Don't feel bad for me, I do it on purpose, I don't know why. And you're just gonna ask things and I'm bleeding. Okay, let's go. Tap to make honey! Money! Lady, thank you. Oh. You can't get me, you can't get me, ha 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 ha. I hate bees. I don't even know I'm playing the freaking game. I hate bees. Please, give me something. Oh my gosh, he's getting in front of me. I have to click. Yeah, I have to click. Whoopsie daisy. I must have been ordinary clicking. Or my pets were doing it for me. No wonder why I was slow. Oh, whoops. Okay, let's go. I hate how you have to click. I wish I would just ordinarily do it. I know, don't abuse me, I'm lazy. There you go. Not even touching the screen and it's moving. It's weird. I like the animation. I bet you can only have 4 pets equipped. I've only got 2, so I can... What? Oh... 2,500, whoops. 2,500, okay. Then I'll just have to grind, I guess. I don't know why, but I don't have any paws. And the chicky's going on. Oh, sticky. I do like honey, but not as much as Nutella. If you do live in Australia, make sure you don't tell me. Tell me. I will hunt you down. Oh. There's a friggin' dog barking outside. No, I'm just gonna let my pets do it. Nah. Just to make the video a bit shorter. I think let's just get to the next egg and I'm going to end it there. Deal or no deal? Oh, Jesus. And leave a comment down below how you can buy new backpacks, because I don't really need that. I'm not really going to talk for the rest of the video, but I'll try. Bye. No, not bye. Jeez. Oh, there's a flower field over there. Oh. This gives you more. Oh, no, not exactly. No, it doesn't. Okay. Next one. Hopefully I get enough money donated to... Oh, wait. Let's go and check what's up here. Oh. Kill it. Nice job. Oh, that's very good. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, now, what's up here? Oh, whoops. There's a ladybug in 4 minutes. I got to kill that one. So you don't instantly kill things. Oh, how did I miss that? I'm good at uppy. I'm just gonna go. Oh, don't matter. No, wrong frame line. Oh, I'm bad at this game. Nah. Alright. He's boring. Okay, let's go. You know, I am a Roblox YouTuber, but I do make other videos and other things. What? Oh, they must have leveled up. Yeah. Couple more guys and we got it. I'm at 200 lips. And then I have to do one more. Alright. Should be a bit quicker. Oh. Let's do it until we get to 100. That's about the... Or just... We'll do it until the end. Oh, she opened the push. No, what? We got enough money now. Thank you. Now, let's go and make a shot. No, let's go and do this. What? Brave bee. Okay guys, I will have to end the video here. So Bye.